The European higher education area operates on an immense scale. Across 48 countries, institutions share a mandate to foster student mobility and integrate deeply divergent academic traditions. To guarantee quality across borders, regulators require an evolution in how universities measure education. The old model of tracking student workload and study hours is being replaced by a requirement to prove specific, measurable learning outcomes. Institutions are attempting to execute this modern pedagogical shift using legacy administrative tools. Staff find themselves managing complex curriculum mapping through fragmented spreadsheets and rigid, paper-heavy workflows. This structural mismatch creates a heavy operational burden. European universities are forced to redirect energy toward managing compliance logistics, drawing resources away from research and instructional quality. The modern campus runs on a fragmented ecosystem. Student information, learning management, financial, and advising platforms operate entirely separated. Prospective students navigate this poorly. Confronted by a disjointed onboarding process, up to 72% abandon their applications entirely. Inside the institution, the friction continues. To prepare for rigorous accreditation audits, faculty manually track student performance data across entirely separate data silos, losing hundreds of hours to basic data entry. In highly competitive European regions, universities spend between $1,700 and $2,600 to acquire a single enrolled student. Losing a significant portion of these prospects to poor software integration drains essential capital. Students today expect mobile-first, intuitive technological experiences. Universities relying on fragmented systems risk enrollment decline in a globalized education market. Solving this requires moving away from reactive database management. SchoolXP provides a proactive intelligence infrastructure built specifically to handle the complexities of modern higher education. By bridging previously disparate systems via modern APIs, the platform establishes a single, unified source of truth for the entire institution. When an academic committee modifies a curriculum requirement, that change instantly propagates. The public course catalog, the internal advising dashboard, and the relevant billing codes all update simultaneously. This unified architecture eliminates 99.9% of duplicate records. It provides the transparent, real-time audit trails required for thorough quality assurance reviews. Establishing a connected data ecosystem is a structural necessity. It provides the academic agility required for institutions to adapt and thrive. The platform attacks the admissions bottleneck directly through the Admission XP module. It uses intelligent document processing to handle complex, multi-format international transcripts. The machine learning engine extracts data based on semantic meaning. If the system scores an extraction below a 95% confidence threshold, it immediately routes it to an admissions officer for manual validation. For enrolled students, the OptiXP module continuously tracks participation intelligence. It analyzes thousands of engagement data points across the campus ecosystem in real time. Predictive models monitor subtle behavioral shifts, like dropping login frequencies. By recognizing these patterns, the system flags at-risk students up to 73% faster than manual observation allows. To handle routine communication, the RIA AI agent operates securely across multiple languages. Using a strict retrieval-augmented generation architecture, it autonomously resolves 85% of standard student inquiries without algorithmic hallucinations. This automation acts as an early warning system. It takes over routine administration so that educators can direct their attention and empathy precisely where it matters most. By digitizing workflows and deflecting routine queries, SchoolXP allows faculty and administrative staff to reclaim 20 to 25 hours per week. This infrastructure is built on strict data governance. All student records are protected by AES 256 encryption, adhering entirely to GDPR and privacy by design principles. This chart compares infrastructure deployment models. Notice the costs of multi-million-dollar legacy implementations. In contrast, SchoolXP utilizes a transparent SaaS model, maintaining a steady $8 to $18 per student corridor. Institutions deploying this system see measurable institutional gains. Within the first full academic cycle, retention rates increase by up to 7 percentage points, while accreditation audits are executed without the typical administrative search. By clearing the administrative bottlenecks, SchoolXP allows European universities to return their focus to where it belongs, the faculty and the students.